Have you seen any of those videos that actually say that they can make $1,000 a day with a Forex account, but they kind of never showed exactly the moment that they enter the trades or share with you like the real secrets behind it? Well, in this specific video, I'm going to share with you today's session where I was able to make $1,000 in a matter of like, I don't know, it was like 15 minutes or something like that with my FTMO Forex account, and share with you the strategy that I use, which is the 50 RSI strategy that I also use for options trading. But hey, if you want to learn this strategy, make sure you stay up until the end of this video. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube. Welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, I'm going to share with you my 50 RSI strategy for Forex trading, which is a scalping trading strategy that made me $1,000 just today. But hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into Forex, crypto, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification of every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's go ahead and start. All right, so we should start with what is the 50 RSI strategy, because if you don't understand it, then it's going to be impossible for you to actually use this specific strategy. The 50 RSI strategy is a retraction strategy continuing with the trend. Basically, what I mean is that whenever you actually use this strategy, all you have to do is follow the trend and enter positions along with the trend. But we need to identify these little retractions that you see right here in order to enter these positions and make money towards it. Now, this strategy is a scalping strategy, which basically means that trades are going to be super fast, and most of the times they're going to expire within 10 minutes all the way to maybe 1 hour, but usually no more than that. So the 50 RSI strategy is actually called like that because if you notice, I have the RSI strategy right here, which is the relative strength index. And what we do is that we identify whenever we have a trend, let's say is an uptrend or a downtrend, the 50 level of the RSI is actually being touched and then continues with the trend. If you notice right here, we have a downtrend and the price actually touches the 50 RSI and then bounces down. Then it touches it again, it bounces down. It touches it again, it bounces down. It touches again, it bounces down. And this is literally what's happening in this section right here. Every time the 50 RSI, well, not every time, but most of the times with the 50 RSI touches the 50 level, then it will actually start retracting. Like it retracts to the higher level and then boom, it starts dropping, right? The same thing will actually happen on an uptrend. If you notice right here, we are looking at an uptrend and the 50 RSI was touched and then it jumped back up. The 50 RSI was touched and jumped back up. Right here, the 50 RSI got touched and bounced back up, which is what happened right here, and so on. This pattern keeps repeating over and over and over during the day. But the point of us is to actually find during our trading session the moments when that happens, make fast profits, and then run away. So hopefully this is making sense. Now, this is a trading strategy that I've actually used with options trading most of the times, right? But I know some of you might actually ask, Chris, why do you use it with Forex? Well, two reasons. Number one, you guys have actually asked for it in the comments. Like, hey, can I use this in Forex? And number two, because I'm actually passing a funded account and I wanted to use this simple strategy in order to make it happen. So this FTMO account that I'm actually passing is this one right here. I actually lost a couple of normal trades before that. That's the reason why I'm at $99,383. But you can see my results of today's session. This is all history, but in just today's session, we are in $1,084. So I started using it in order to pass this funded account using just this specific strategy in order to share with you that it does work. And number two, I actually decided that I was going to teach you this strategy so that you can actually diversify and start using it with Forex as well. Okay, so I'm gonna continue using it up until it works, and it continues to work all the freaking time. If you actually notice, if we go to the replay and we actually see this little change on trending right here, it's actually happening, right? So it went back down. So what I do is that I actually wait for the RSI to be reached one more time, the 51. Now it's a downtrend, right? So if you notice right here, there was a moment where the price actually reached the level, you see? So then I can go ahead and enter a put position or a short position. There you go. It happened again. Did we lose some money? Yeah, we lose some money, but then we enter one more time. Why? Because the price actually, the 50 RSI actually got reached one more time. And yeah, we lost one, which means that we lost, let's say 1% of a balance if that's what we put into our trades, but we made 5.63. And I'm just doing this randomly, right? Because it could have been more than that, but 5.63 is what we made in profit. So in the end, we ended up making 4.63% balance increase in just this trade. So this is a pattern that happens all the time. And that's the reason why I'm going to continue using it. Now let's go ahead and take a look at those live positions, people, because those live trades are just going to be amazing. But the only thing though is that you're gonna have to be very patient, because the first clip is 7 minutes. I'm gonna speed it up. I'm gonna speed up the process of this specific clip. There you go. So I made some profits and then I stopped it. The second clip though is actually 12 minutes. So I'm going to speed up the process as well on that one. That one made me around $600 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And the third one is actually 9 minutes. So probably it's going to be like 4 or 5 minutes of pure live positions, but trust me, it's going to be completely worth it. I lost some trades in there. I won some trades as well, but in the end I ended up with profit. So let's go ahead and take a look at those live trades right now. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed looking at those live trades. You realized that I entered several times on the same position because I knew that the price was actually going to jump, but I was trading with 0.15% per trade. If I would have entered with 1% per trade, then it would have been just one trade. But since I entered with 0.15%, I had a lot of possibilities to enter with more than that. My target of loss was $5,000, so I was way away from it. So hopefully that's actually clear. But I wanted to mention the prop firm or the funded account that I'm currently using, and is this one right here called FTMO. If by any chance you're not familiar with what is a prop firm or a funded account, a prop firm or funded account are companies that basically what they do is that they recruit day traders that are profitable, and once you're able to prove that you're profitable, they can give you an account with real money in it so that you can trade with their money and then you can split the profits. Let's say that you make $10,000 in profits. Most of the times it's 80% for yourself and 20% for the company. So out of those $10,000, you make a total of $8,000. Why is it that I really like these companies? Because you can actually leverage the money that you have. Let's say you don't have $100,000 in order to invest right here, right? But you do have 540 euros to invest to buy an account. So basically, instead of depositing $100,000, you deposit or you pay 540 euros. So once you actually prove that you're able to be a good trader, not only you're gonna get the refund for the 540 euros, but you can actually trade with their money. So for instance, this account of $100,000, you need to not lose over $5,000. All right, that's the daily stop loss. So if you lose $5,001 in one day, then your account is canceled because you didn't pass the challenge. You'd have a total of $10,000 as a loss and a total of profits of $10,000. That's in the first phase. The second one is pretty much the same, but your profit target is lower. It's just $5,000 because they just need to see, hey, let's see if this guy actually was just lucky or he can actually make money, right? So once you pass that, you have an actual trading account with real money with the same stop loss levels. So you need to be careful with the money management and stuff. But in the end, you have a lot of more potential. Out of those $500, then you can turn it into $10,000, $5,000 a month in profits. While if you actually just invest the $500, then you can make like probably $20, $25, maybe $50 in profits during the entire month. So that's what I see as a benefit of having a funded account. But just wanted to let you know that the one that I'm using is FTMO, the most trusted one. I'm gonna have the link to it in the description of this video in case you wanna check it out. They have unlimited time for you to comply with the challenge, and they also have a free trial period for like 15 days or something like that, so you can test it out. So the link will be in the description of this video. Now, important question. You realize that during these live positions that I had, I closed some trades manually, right? So why did I close these trades manually? One thing that you need to notice is that I actually have my market order already in place, and I actually execute trades whenever I see the opportunity. So it's not just about placing one trade and leave it running, but I place smaller positions and I just keep on looking at them to see if I have better entry opportunities. Now, in these trades right here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions actually placed. And then I decided to close this one. Why did I close this one? Because this one was the one that it was like at the lowest profits available. Why? Because it was at the higher level. So those were the riskiest ones, right? So I decided to close those two and just leave those the other 4 running for a while. When I saw that the profits were actually quite good on the other positions, I decided to start closing them as well. For instance, this one, the third one that I closed, it was at $150 something. Then I realized that if I closed it, I was going to be in profits for a while. So I decided to close that one and move my stop loss to a higher level in order to avoid any risk. Even if I lost all of those positions, I still was going to be in profits. But then when I realized that I had some really good profits, around $300 per trade, like $600 in profits, I was like, hey, I'm gonna make $1,000 if I close these trades manually. And plus I had to go to work out. So I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna stick to $1,000. In the end, $1,000 in one day wasn't bad at all. And I wasn't going to get, all greedy and you know what I mean, right? So that's the reason why I closed it manually. Can you leave it run like indefinitely? Yes, you can, but you actually are taking also the risk that the price will just retract and you will end up losing money. We're not sure what the market is going to do. So what I'm giving you is a strategy where you can actually predict some fast movements of the market, but not predicting like too far away. So we're looking at 5-minute candlesticks, right? So hopefully that's actually cleared. Hey, before I finish with this video, I want to give you a warm invitation to my free Telegram channel. Look, the free Telegram channel that you're looking at right here is a Telegram channel where we send trading signals every single day, 100% free. Forex and options trading signals. Take a look. AUD, NZD, sell, whatever the entry price, the stop loss, and the take profit. We also send another one. And then these are my options trading sessions. And then another one, and we can continue all day long. So basically what we do is that we share free signals every single day in that Telegram channel. So I want to give you like a free invitation to those to that Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this video. You're more than welcome to join anytime you want to, free forever. So hopefully I can see you there. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below. My team will be happy to reply to you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.